In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your controller dead zone here in Battlefield RedSec. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, please ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you do want smoother aiming here in Battlefield RedSec, adjusting your controller dead zone can obviously make a pretty big difference. And to do this, what you're going to want to do is either just go to your options in your game or just go directly into your settings. And what you're going to want to do first is actually navigate down to the controller settings on this left-hand sidebar, select it, and then hit edit settings. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom and you're going to see a controller tuning option down here. Select that and find the right stick option on here. There's going to be a right and left one. But essentially just go through and click on the center dead zone and adjust this. I would recommend putting it between 1 and 1.3 just because it does work pretty well for precise aiming unless you don't have any stick drift, and in that case lower it down as low as humanly possible. Just move your stick, check that aiming responsiveness. Obviously, the smaller your values, the more sensitive, the larger the values, the less sensitive. But that is it. This is going to make your aim a lot smoother and a lot more consistent. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you guys did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.